inserting single row, inserting multiple rows by using ampersand, inserting null values. This is method 1, this is method 2. Okay, then next I want to display the data, I want to see the data. So then, but before going to see, what are the operators in Oracle? Arithmetic operators, plus, minus, multiplication, division. And all these operators are used for calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Relational operators are used for comparison. Greater than or equal to, less than or equal, not equals to, not equal to either this or this. Anything is okay. Next, logical operators, and or not, and or not. Okay, then so we'll see examples. Okay, then so these are the different operators in Oracle, but like this is not there. What this is? Modulus. This operator is not there in Oracle. Only 4: plus, minus, multiplication, division. Now now let's see. So suppose what is displaying? What data? Displaying the data. You learn how to create tables, how to store the data. Now what we are going to see, how to see the data. What is the command we use to display the data? Okay, what command we use? So the command is select command. Okay, then, and the select command is used to display data from table. Okay, select command is used to display the data from table. Using select command, we can display all rows or specific rows, and we can display all columns or specific columns. Okay, then select command is used to display the data from table, and using this select command, we can display all rows or specific rows, all columns or specific columns. Table means rows and columns. If you want to see the complete table, you can see the complete table. But you don't want to see the complete table. You want to see specific columns and specific rows. That is also possible. Okay, then. But how to write it? You have to write something like this. Okay, you have to write something like this. What the syntax is? So the general syntax is select columns from table name. Select columns or star from table name. So this is the select statement syntax. How to write select statement? You have to write select statement like this: semicolon. So the major part in Oracle, the major part in SQL is writing queries. If you say, I know SQL, what the other person expect? What he will expect from you? Writing queries. If you say you know SQL, then you expect writing queries from. That is what we started, writing queries. Already you know 2 queries. What are the 2 queries you know? Create table, insert. Now we are going to see one more, select. Okay, then. But what is this whole thing is called? This whole thing is called query. This whole thing is called query. But in this, what is from, what is select? This whole thing is called query. But what is this from, what is this select? Okay, then. So from is called what? Like what are these called? They are called clauses. They are called what? Clauses. What is clause means? Suppose, for example, assume SQL equal to English. SQL is English. SQL is a language. English is also language. Assume SQL equal to English. Okay. In SQL, how persons communicates in English? You take English. In English, how two persons communicates in English? Okay, now suppose two persons are using English language, but how they communicate in English? They use what, sir? What? Sentences. They use sentence. Yes or no? Okay. But in SQL, how you communicate? By using what? Queries. So if SQL equal to English, a query equal to what? Sentence. So sentence is what? Group of words. Sentence is group of words. Queries are group of what, sir? Clauses. That's all. So sentence is group of words and the queries are group of what? Clauses. A query contains clauses. A sentence contains words and the queries contains what? Clauses. That's all. So this is what is clause means. Clause is a word. In other languages, you call it as keyword, reserved word, keywords, reserved word. But here we call it as what? Clauses. There are two clauses here. One is select, another one what? From clause. Select clause and from clause. Okay, then. No. Oh. So here actually there is a call from clause. There is a call what? Select clause. Once again, why you submit this query to Oracle? Why you submit this query to Oracle? Because to display the data, to see the data. You want to see the data, you write this query. But when you want to see the data, what do you have to tell Oracle? You want to see the data. If you want to see the data, what do you have to tell Oracle? Which table data you want to see? Because his database contains only one table? No. Database contains what? Several tables. So database contains number of tables. Then what you must tell Oracle? Which table you want to see? What you must tell? Which table? Which table you want to see? And which columns you want to see? Which table you want to see? Which columns you want to see? In from, you specify what? Table name. In select, specify what? Column names. Here you specify what? Table name. In select, specify what? Column names. Specify column names. So in from, specify the table name. In select, specify the column names. So which table you want to see? Which columns you want to see? Okay, then. Okay. So let's see some examples. Okay, let's see some examples. Once again. Oh, so username is okay. Okay. Now let's see. What I want to is display what employee names and salaries. I want to see the employee names and salaries. Okay. Then where the employee names and salaries are there, employee table.
In table,
Okay.
file table.
Then so from employee table, then once again select what? Select select columns like from EMP. Which table? EMP table. But EMP table contains 6 columns: employee ID, name, job, salary, height, date, DNO. But what is asking
Employee
from EMP table is asking only the
name and salary.
names and salaries. Is asking only the names and salaries. Then what? Then don't what here? Select what? Names. Where the names are there?
E-name.
Names are there in. This is the table, boss. This is the actual table. Selects are from EMP. Where the names are there? Names
E-name.
are there in
E-name.
E-name. So here you have to write E-name.
E-name.
Column name. E-name. Next is asking
Salary.
salaries. Where salaries are there? Sal. So what is this meaning? From EMP table, you are selecting what? From EMP table, you are selecting E-name and salary. Then what Oracle will display? It will show only the names and salaries. It will show only the names and salaries. Then it is showing only the name and salary. Understood? It's not showing all of the data. It is showing only the names and salaries. For example, I want to display employee names. I want to display employee names, jobs, and height date. Employee names, jobs, and height date. Then I want to see only these 3. I want to know every employee name, job plus height date, join date. Then how to write this? Select E-name, comma, job, comma, height date from what? EMP. From EMP. So what this query will show? This query will show only the names, jobs, and height dates. It will not show all the data. It will show only these 3. Okay, then. So it is showing names, jobs, and height dates. Okay, from EMP table, it is selecting only these 3. Okay, then. Sir, okay now? Now. So which table you want to see, which columns you want to see. But I want to see all the data. Then display all the data from EMP table. Then I want to see all the data. Then select star. Select star. Select star from EMP. Selecting star means what?
All.
All. What is all? Then you have to say all columns. You have to say all columns. Table means rows and columns. Selecting star means selecting star. Star means what? Star means what, sir? All columns. So select star from EMP. Selecting star means selecting all the columns. Okay, then. So you want to see particular columns, mention the column names. You want to see all the columns, say star. Okay, na? You want to see particular columns, specify the column names. But you want to see all the columns, select star. That's all. Okay, next. Okay then. But if you see this, it is showing what? This is showing all the rows, all the columns plus all the rows. So there are 7 employees. It is showing all the 7 employees data. Yes. But I don't want to see all the employees data. I want to see particular employee data. I want to see only 1 or 2 details. 1 or 2 details. Okay, na? I don't want to see all. I want to see 1 or 2 details.
Rahul and
I want to see the employee details whose name equals to Kumar. Only Kumar details. I want to see the employees working as clerk, who are working as clerks. I want to see the employees earning more than 5,000. I want to see the employees earning more than 5,000. I want to see the employees joined in 2020. Okay, then. So I don't want to see all the employees data. I want to see what's the particular employees data. Then how to see the particular employees data. Okay, then. So to see the particular employees data, so if you want to see specific rows, you want to select specific rows, then what you have to do, to this select statement, we have to apply where condition. To the select query, we have to apply what? Where condition. Now what this is? Where clause. So this is one most important in writing queries. In writing queries, like in SQL, what I said, writing queries is important. In writing queries, what is important is where clause is important. Okay, then. What for where clause? Where clause. What for where clause?
used to
Where clause. What is the purpose of where clause? Use it to select what? Specific row. Use it to select specific row or rows from table based on a what? Condition.
example.
Okay, to select specific rows from table based on a condition. Oh. Understood? Then how to write it? You have to write like this. What is select what?
Column.
Columns, otherwise star from
Table.
table name. Next one, select columns or star from table name. Next one, where condition. Okay, then where condition. Select columns or table name from table name, where condition. So this is the syntax for what? This is the syntax for where. Sorry, where condition. Then how to write select statement with where. In where, what you write? In where you write what?
Conditions.
In where you write condition. In select you write
Column.
column names. From you write table name. In where you write condition. Here you write the table name. Here you write column names. But here you write what?
Condition.
Condition. This is which table you want to see. Which table you want to see. Which columns you want to see. Which rows you want to see. Which table you want to see. Which columns you want to see. Which rows you want to see. Sir, okay, understood? Which table, which columns, which rows. Which table means table name. Which columns means column names. Which rows means condition. But because row is not having the names. Is the row is having the names? Is this row is having the name? No. Row is not having the name. Columns are having the name. Table is having the name. but row is not having the name. That's why here we don't write row names. Here you write condition. Okay, condition. Now, but how you write condition? Okay, here. Otherwise, you can write like this. Then condition. But how you write condition? How you write the condition? How you write the condition? How you write the condition? You write condition like this. What is column name? Next one, column name. Next, OP. OP means what? Operator value. Column name, OP value. Column name, operator value. So this is how to write conditions in select query. Okay, how to write the conditions. Okay, now then. So what must be this OP?
Operator.
What is OP?
Plus minus.
Operator. But what is that operator is?
Incrementing.
What is that operator? What is that operator? Sir, here actually, like in, suppose you take C language. In C language, any programming languages. In programming languages, how you write conditions? In programming languages, how you write conditions? You write conditions by using what? If condition. You write if condition. But tell me, how you write the condition? If condition only, but in if, how you write the condition? Can we write a condition like this? A plus B. Can we write a condition like this? A plus B? No. A plus B is not a condition. A plus B is not a condition. Can we write a condition like this? If A greater than B? A greater than B? Can we write a condition like this? Yes. So is A plus B is a condition? No. A greater than B is a condition? Yes. So remember, condition means always should return true, false. Condition should return what, sir?
True and false.
True or false. Is A plus B returns true or false? No. A plus B returns value. 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 returns what? Value. 15. 10 greater than 5. Then 10 greater than 5 returns true or false. 10 greater than 5? Yes, true. If 10 is less than 5, then false. Okay. So, like condition means always should return true or false. Now tell me what must be OP. OP must be any what? Relational operator, like you know that. Equal, greater than or equal, less than or equal, not equal. So must be any relational operator like greater than or equal, less than or equal, not equal. So must be any relational operator. It's not arithmetic operator. Okay, that what this is? Relational. Because only relational expression returns true, false. Arithmetic expression returns value. That. So now what this is? If condition what? True. If condition true, okay, row is selected. If condition true, the row is selected. If condition false, row is not selected. If condition true, row is selected. If condition false, row is not selected. Okay, then. Okay, now Let's see one example. Suppose, for example, that like 1 second. So what I want is like I'm asking display what employee details whose ID equals to 102 or 103. I don't want to see all employees data. I want to see only 103 details. Then tell me how you write. How to write this query. My table contains number of employees data, but I want to see particular employee data. Which employee data you want to see? 103 details. Then how? Select, how to write it? Select star from EMP, where select star from EMP, where EMP ID. Just follow this syntax. Column name, operator, value, EMP ID equal to 103. ID equals to 103. Select the data from EMP table where ID equal to 103. Then okay, so if you run this, like you run this query, okay, then it goes to what? If you run this query, it go to EMP table. It goes to the EMP table. Oracle. It means Oracle. Oracle goes to EMP table. It go to the first row. What is the ID? 100. Condition true now false. Condition false. Row is not selected. This is not selected. Go to the next one. 101. Condition false. Not selected. 102. False. 103. True. Condition true. Row is selected. Yes. This row is selected or not? Yes. What values are displayed?
103.
This row is selected, but what values are displayed? All values. All values. All values means ID, name, job, salary, height, date, DNO. Next, go to the next one. 104, false. 105, false. 106, false. How many satisfying this condition? Only one. So that is displayed. It go to one by one row, checks true or false. If true selected, false not selected. So what this gives? This gives what's it? 103 details. Whose ID equals to 103. 103 details. Next one. Suppose, see, condition not only can be based on ID, condition can be based on name also. Condition can be based on what? Name. So what is display what? Employee details whose name equals to Kumar. I want to see the Kumar details. Then, so your condition based on name. Then how? How to write? What? Select what? Star from EMP where ename. Ename equals to what?
Kumar.
Ename equals to Kumar. But Kumar is what? Kumar is a string. String should be always in what? Single quotes. String value. String should be in always single quotes. Kumar. Then, sir, left side is column name. Left side is column name. Right side is value. Left side is column name. Right side is value. Separated by operator. Okay, na? Then now let's see. What? Then again it goes to the table. Go to first one. What is the name? Sachin. Condition false. What is the next one? False. 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 Condition true. Selected. Kumar is selected or not? Yes. What is displayed is complete row. Okay, because you are selecting what? Star. Then, so now let's run this. Then, so it is showing only Kumar, but it is showing all the values are not. Yes. Why it is showing all the values? Why it is showing all the values? Because you are selecting what's that? Star. You are selecting star. I want to see, okay, na? I want to see Kumar's salary. Then don't write star. Don't write what's that? Star. Select what? Salary from EMP, where e name equals to Kumar. E name equals to Kumar. Then what this gives? Kumar salary. What the Kumar salary is? 5,000. Okay, na? Then understood. I want to see the Kumar height date. Then select what? Height date. Select height date from EMP, where e name. Which employee data you want? Then where? What data you want to see? Select. Which employee data you want to see? What data you want to see? Okay, na? Then now can I write like this? I'm writing like this. Select star from EMP, where e name equals to Kumar. I'm writing like this. E name equals to Kumar. Then what it is showing? No rows selected. Why? Why it is showing no rows? Kumar is there, na? Then why it is showing like this? Kumar is there, but even though Kumar is there, but still it is showing no rows. Because Kumar is there in what? Capitals. In database. In database, see the table. In database table, Kumar is there in small. But in query, what? Capital. Okay, na? Then given value is capital, database value is small. Matching or not matching? Not matching. That means in Oracle, string comparison is case sensitive or not case sensitive? Case sensitive. Lower case strings, uppercase strings are same or not same? Not same. You know, na? Lower case, uppercase. So the strings are not same. They are different. Okay? Then. So one point here, then in Oracle, okay, string comparison is what? Case sensitive. String comparison is case sensitive. What is meaning? Case sensitive means that is what? Uppercase letters and lowercase letters are not same. Okay, now that's all. Then next. So here it is based on previous one based on ID, and this is based on what? Name. Next one, like display what's that? Employees what? Earning more than 5,000. Employees earning more than 5,000 means what? Employees earning more than 5,000 means select what? Start from EMP, where salary greater than 5,000. Select start from EMP, where salary greater than 5,000. Earning means salary. Salary greater than 5,000. From table. So which employees are selected who are earning more than 5,000? So it go to one by one, checks condition true or false. Okay, then. Oh. So it go to first one. What is the salary? 4,000. Condition false. And second one, true. 9,000. True. 6,000. True. Condition false. 5,000. False. Because 5,000 is not greater than 5,000, equal to 5,000, but it's not greater than 5,000. So then let me run this. Then this will select all earning more than 5,000. Okay. Then there are three employees earning more than 5,000. There are three employees earning more than 5,000. Next one. And less than 5,000. Then same thing. Less than 5,000. Then what? Select star from EMP. Salary less than 3,000. No rows. Sorry, less than 5,000. Less than 5,000. Then there is one. What is the salary? Is 4,000. Okay. Then this is greater than 5,000. This is what? Less than 5,000. Anything. Sir, you can write any condition by using any relational, relational operators. Equal, not equal, greater than, less than, etc. Now, you tell me this. For example, I want to see the employees join after 2021. Joined after 2021. Then select what? Star from EMP where hide date. Select star from EMP where hide date. Greater than 2021. Select star from EMP where hide date greater than 2021. Okay, na? Understood? Then. But one second. Run this query. What this query gives? This query gives error. What it says? Inconsistent what? Data types. Expected date got number. Sir, here once again. Throughout this course, okay, learn reading the error messages, because that gives the hint. Read the error messages so that we can correct the query. If you don't see the error messages, you cannot correct the query. Actually, where is the mistake you don't understand? Then now, so learn reading the messages. Now, what is this? Is expected date got number. That means here actually, when you are comparing, column operator what? Value. Okay. Then these two must be same type. Sir, this column is hide date is what type? Date type. 2021 is what type? It's not date, it's number. Hide date is date type. 2021 is number type. So they are not of same type. Not same means inconsistent. Same means consistent. Consistent means same. Inconsistent means not same. So that's why it is saying inconsistent data types. So this data type is not same. Hide date is date type. 2021 is numeric type. So that's why it is not same. So actually, what it is expecting here? What Oracle is expecting? Date. Expected date, but got number. Oracle is expecting date here, but you passed what number. So that's why this gives what error. Then tell me how to correct this. After 2020. Can I say after 2020 means, can I say like this, after 31st December 2020, 2021? After 2021 means, can I say like this, after 31st December 2021? Yes or no? Yes. Then hide date greater than what? Hide date greater than 31st December 2021. Okay, na? Then after 2021 means after 31st December 2021. Now tell me, hide date is what type? Date type. 31st December 21 is what type? Date type. Now both are same type or not? Yes. Now comparison is possible? Yes. Now let's execute this. What this gives? This gives what's it? All the employees joined after 2021, 23, 23, 23, 23. All are joined after 2021? Yes. Yes or no? Then. Okay. Next. Next one. And I'll ask what, like, employees joined before 2021. Who are joined before 21? Then what? Less than. Hide date less than what? Hide date less than. And before 2021 means before 1st January 2021. After 2021 means after 31st December 2021. Before 21 means before the 2021. Before 2021 means before January 1st, 2021. Yes or no? What is the first date in 2021? January 1st. So if employee joins before January 1st, that means he joined before 2021. Yes. Then less than what? Hide date less than what? 01st what? Jan 2021. Where hide date less than 1st January 2021. Okay, then. No. So, like, execute this. Like, see this. Then there are two. One is joined in what? 20. One is joined in 19. So they are before 2021 or not? Yes. Okay. No? Then. So then, like, this is always like condition means immediately should get something like this. Okay. Next, I want to see employees not working for department 20. not working for department 20. They should not belongs to 20. Then what? Where what? DNO. DNO column contains department number. Yes. Then where DNO not equal to. How to write not equal to symbol? Less than, greater than, less than, greater than, not equal to symbol. Otherwise, you can also use exclamation equal to. Anything is okay. Then okay. Now, what this gives? This gives what's it? All the employees joined not belongs to 20. Belongs to 10, belongs to 30, belongs to 10, belongs to 30. Not belongs to, then, not belongs to what? 20. Yes. And so, can we use this? Can we use this? Can we use select star from EMP where department number exclamation equal to 20? Same output, na? Yes. Either you can use what? Less than, greater than. Otherwise, you can use what? Exclamation equal to, not equal to. Okay. Then. Okay then. Now you learnt how to write conditions. Yes. How to write conditions. So tell me, why you apply this where condition? Why you apply the where condition? Without where condition, then without where condition, all the rows. With where condition, specific rows. You want to see all the rows. No need to apply where condition. You want to see specific rows, then where is applied. Apply the where condition. Okay, next. And if you see this, how many conditions you applied? No. In one query, how many conditions you applied? Only one. Here, this is one condition. ID equal to 103. Next one, another name equal to Kumar. Salary greater than 5,000. Like height date greater than, less than. So in all these examples, how many conditions you have written? One condition. But always you have one condition? No. Sometimes you may be having what? Multiple condition. When user want to see the data, he might be having multiple conditions. Example, let's see example. Suppose then I go to Amazon website. Just go to Amazon website. What it is showing? Products that Amazon sells. Different category of products that Amazon sells. Yes. I don't want to see all these products. I want to see only the mobiles. I want to buy a mobile. I want to see the mobiles. Here there is a menus. Here there is a menu option. What is that menu option? Mobiles. So click this mobiles. Click the mobiles. When I click the mobiles, then it will show mobile phones. When you click the mobiles, background a query is executed. Select star from products where category equal to mobiles. When you click mobiles, background a query is generated and executed. What that query generates? Select star from products where category equal to mobiles. Okay, na? Then let me run that. Then what this gives? This gives only mobile phones. That query is sent to Amazon server. Amazon server will execute the query, send the output. That output is displayed on the screen. But background what is executed is queries are executed. Understood? Then. But here, see, it is showing all the WhatsApp. It is showing all the mobile phones. Yes, it is showing all the mobile phones. You applied a condition is showing the mobile phones. but I don't want to see all the mobile phones. My my range is 10 to 20,000. Then click this 10 to 20,000. Click this. When you click this, you're applying second condition. You're applying what's it? Second condition. Already you applied one condition. What is the condition you applied? Category equal to mobiles. Now you're applying second condition. What that is? Price. Price is between 10,000 and 20,000. Second condition. You're applying the second condition. Now it is showing only the mobile phones price between 10,000 and 20,000. But I don't want to see all these brands. I want to see particular brand. I want to see only like what's it? Suppose I want to see Samsung brand or something. Okay, na? Then I'm selecting brand Samsung. When you select Samsung, now it is showing only Samsung brand. That means you applied third condition. What is the third condition? Brand equal to Samsung. First one, category equal to mobiles. Second one, price between 10,000 and 20,000. Next one, brand equals to, okay, na? Samsung. So like that, user wants to, he doesn't want to see all, he want to see particular. He keep on apply the conditions. Okay, na? Then now background, what query is executed? Okay, na? Select query, but that is having how many conditions? 3 conditions. So this output, whatever the output is that is displayed here, that is the result of applying 3 conditions. After applying 3 conditions, whatever the output is there, that output is displayed here. Understood? Okay. Same thing in my query also, I want to apply the multiple conditions. Okay. Then how to apply the multiple conditions? If you apply the multiple conditions, what is that is called? That is called what? Compound condition. That is called compound condition. Okay, compound condition. And what is compound condition means? What is the definition? What? Multiple conditions combined with what? Multiple conditions combined with and or operators is called what? Compound condition. Multiple conditions combined with and or operators is called compound condition. Okay. Multiple conditions combined with and or. When you write multiple conditions, compulsory they should be combined with what, sir? And or. Okay, na? Then like this. What? Where? What? Condition 1. Condition 1. Next one. Condition 2. I got 2 conditions. Between the 2 conditions, what you write? And then or. Condition 1 and condition 2. Okay, then either and or. First we'll see and. Okay, then. Sir, whether you write single condition or multiple conditions, what is the final output? Whether you write single condition or you write multiple condition, output is true or false. Condition output is true or false. I'm not asking the question. Okay, na? Then, so whether you write single condition or you write multiple conditions, output is what? True or false. So this also, this whole thing returns what? Either true or false. Single condition returns True or false? Multiple conditions also returns true or false. Okay, then, but when returns true, when returns true, then, so suppose here first condition is true, second condition is also true, then true. First condition is true, second condition false, then false. First condition false, second condition is true, then false. And both are false, both are false, false, then. Okay, so if both conditions are true, then only result is true. If at least one condition is false, result is false. If one of the condition is false, result is false. When both conditions are true, then only true. Sir, understood? Then now, but how to write this condition? How to write this condition? When you get a doubt how to write the condition, just go and see this. Sir, here throughout the course you remember this. Throughout the course, where is important? Okay, na? Where class? Where class is important. Okay, then how to write conditions is most important in Oracle. Okay, then. So now this is how to write condition. You have to write condition. This is condition. Okay, condition 1. This is condition 1. How to write the condition? Column name, operator, value. How to write the second condition? Column name, operator, value. So this is 1, this is 1, both are combined with 1. And then if both are true, then only return is true. If at least one condition is false, result is also false. Suppose, for example, I use what? Or condition 1 or condition 2, then results. Condition 1 or condition 2, result is true. Then what is? Both conditions are true, then result is true. First condition is true, second condition is false, then result is true. And first one is false, second one is true, result is what? True. Then both are false, both conditions false, then what the result is? False. Result is false. Okay, then. So in case of AND, when both are true, then only true. Here in case of OR, at least one is true, returns true. Here both must be true. Here what? At least one must be true. If at least one is true, then true. Okay, then. So I got two conditions. Both conditions must be satisfied. Then I want, there are two conditions, boss. Both conditions must be satisfied. Then AND operator. At least one condition is satisfied, I want to select. Then OR. Okay, then. So just listen this. For example, I written something like this, where what? Category. Category equal to mobiles and price less than 20,000. Category equal to mobiles and price less than 20,000. So category is mobiles, price less than 20,000. If I write like this, then tell me what this gives. Which products are selected? Mobile phones, that too price less than 20,000. If this will select TVs. TVs are selected? Not selected. Laptops are selected? No. And Apple iPhone is selected, that costs around 80,000. Apple iPhone is selected? Yes or no? No. iPhone, no? iPhone means mobile phone. But price is not less than 20,000. Here, because both must be true. Both must be true. Then if I use OR here, then I use OR. Tell me TVs are selected. TV is selected. maybe. If TV cost is what? Less than 20,000, TV is selected or not? Yes, because in these two conditions, at least one condition is true, selected. That is what R means. Laptop is selected, maybe. Laptop cost is less than 20,000. Apple iPhone is selected. Apple iPhone is selected. Yes, because its category is what? Mobiles. That is what bars. R means in these two, at least one. The product should satisfy at least one condition, then that product is selected. If you use AND, then that product should satisfy what? Both. It must be mobile phone, its price must be less than 20,000. Understood? That. So this is what, how to use AND, how to use OR. Okay, then. So for example, what I want is, I want to see the employees working as clerk, manager. I want to see clerks and managers data. I want to see the clerks and managers data. Clerks and managers. Select star from EMP where job equals to clerk. Job equals to clerk. If employee is clerk, select. Employee is manager, select. If employee is clerk, select. Employee manager, select. That means, again, what? Job equals to what? Manager. Job equals to clerk. Job equals to manager. So in these two conditions, if any one condition is satisfied, select. If is clerk, select. If is manager, select. Then what should be the operator? OR. Operator is OR. Okay. Then if employee is clerk, select. If employee is manager, select. In two conditions, at least one condition is satisfied, select. Okay, na? Then now let's see. Suppose here what? Then it goes to the table. This is the table. Okay, it goes to the table. Select star from what? EMP. This is the table. It go to the first one. What is the job? Clerk. First condition what? True. First condition true. Selected or not selected? Selected. Because R, na? In R means at least one should be two conditions, at least one. Next one, manager. Second condition, true. Selected. Analyst. Both are false. Not selected. Manager. Second one is true. Null. Selected. Null. Not selected. Clerk. First one is true. That's all. So what this gives? This gives what? Clerks and managers. So there are two employees working as clerk. There are two employees working as managers. Understood? Then. If I use AND, then what? If I use AND, what is the output? If I use AND, it go to the first one. What is the job? Clerk. First condition true, but second condition false, not selected. Next go to the manager. First condition false, second condition true, not selected. What is the next one? Analyst. Both are false. Manager. First condition false, second condition true, selected. Okay. Then what this gives? This gives what? no rows. No rows. Understood that? Because no employee is what, sir? Clerk and manager. If he is clerk, he cannot be manager. If he is manager, he cannot be clerk. No employee is satisfying both. Then what the operator is? What? Or. Operator is or. Got it? Then. No. So then, like for example, display what? Employees whose ID equals to 100, 103, 105. Display employees whose ID equals to 100, 103, 105. I want these three employees. If ID is 100, select. ID 103, select. ID 105, select. Then select what? Star from EMP, where EMP ID equals to 100 or EMP ID equals to 103 or EMP ID equals to 105. ID is 100, select. ID 105, select. ID 103, select. So it will return all the three employees' data. Sir, how internally, don't confuse, how internally Oracle executes, how Oracle will apply these conditions. Oracle will apply these conditions not on all table at a time. It will apply these conditions on row by row. It will apply these conditions on what? Row by row. It go to the first row. It apply the conditions on first employee. It go to the second row. It go to the third row. Okay, then. So these conditions are applied on individual employees, not on the whole table. Okay, then. So now, like, let me run this. Then what's it? ID is what? 100, 103, 105. So, got it? Okay, na? It goes to the table bus, select star from EMP. First one is what? 100. First condition what? True. Next one, 101. False. 102. False. 103. Second condition true. Selected. 104. False. 105. False. 106. Third condition true. 105. Third condition true. Selected. So, okay. Then. Understood? If I give end means, so that employee ID should be 100, 103, 105. Is it possible? No, because ID is 100. It cannot be 103. If ID is 103, it cannot be 105. No employee satisfied this condition. Then, what is the operator? Operator is what, sir? R. But I have seen students, how they write? They write like this. EMP ID equals to what? 100. Next comma, 103, comma, 105. If I give the question like this, they write like this. But this is valid, invalid. Why? Sir, here, equality is always used with how many? Equality is always used to compare with how many values? One value. Equal to cannot be used with what? Multiple values. Equal to cannot be used with what? Multiple values. What is this is? This is invalid. And I have seen students writing like this. EMP ID equals to what? 100 or what? 103 or 105. Like this. This is also what? Invalid. Why it is invalid? This is invalid. Why it is invalid? See, sir, R and end or operators are between conditions, not between the values. Listen, and then or is between conditions, not between the values. What is 100 and 103? Values. Don't use this operator between the values. Use this operator between conditions. So like this is condition. EMP ID equal to 100. This is one condition. EMP ID equal to 103. This is one condition. So this is one condition. This is one condition. You can use or between the conditions, not between the values. Got it? Because these basics are important. Okay, na? Writing where conditions, that is basic. This basic is important. Okay. But so then oh. But here, suppose like here, sir, we cannot write like this. Yes, because what? Equal to is used with to compare single value, but cannot be used to compare with multiple values. Okay, then what? How to write it? You have to write like this: ID equal to 100, ID equal to 103, ID equal to 105. Yes, you have to write three conditions. Okay, but if I give three values, how many conditions you have to write? Three conditions. If I give 5 values, then 5 conditions. If I give 10 values, 10 conditions. Writing 10 conditions is difficult or not? Yes. I want to see the 10 employees data. I give the IDs. I want to see the 10 employees data. You have to write like this. It is difficult or not? Yes. So instead of writing 10 conditions, we can simplify this by using one operator. What that operator is? In operator. So I'm introducing how to write where conditions by using different operators. Okay, then. So in operator. And when we use in operator for list comparison. Use in operator for list comparison. List means what? Values, group of values. List means group of values. Okay, then. So you use in operator for list comparison. Otherwise, you can say use in operator for equal to comparison with what? Equal to comparison with what? Multiple values. Use in operator for equal to comparison with multiple values. Okay, then see, this is not allowed. This is not allowed. Column name, value 1, value 2, value 3. This is allowed or not allowed? Not allowed. This is what? Invalid. Because here how many values are there? Multiple. If it is single value, okay. But multiple values, not allowed. Then if you have multiple values, then what we have to use? In operator. Value 1, value 2, value 3, so on. So this is valid. Equal to comparison with multiple values, invalid. We have to use operator. Okay, now let's see. Same query. So I'm asking what display what's it? Employees whose ID equals to 100, 103, 105. I want to see this 3 employees data whose ID is 100, 103, 105. Earlier, have you written? Have you written? Earlier, how many conditions you have written? 3 conditions combined with what, sir? Or. Now we can simplify this by using what? In operator. How? Like this. What? Select what? Star from EMP, where EMP ID. Then in. In what? 100, 103, 105. Okay. Na? Okay. So then now let's see this here. What? 100, 103, next one, 105. Same or not? Which is simple? Like using any simple or using this or? Which is simple? Any simple. If I give 10 values, then here you can write 10 values. Okay, na? Instead of writing 10 conditions, you can write 10 values. If ID is 100, selected. ID 103, selected. ID 105, selected. Okay? Then can we use only for numeric? No, not only numeric. You can use it for character fields also. Like I'll ask what I want to see the employees working as what, sir? Clerk manager. Then working as clerk manager. Then same thing. Select start from EMP, where job in. Multiple values, then in operator. So what is job is what? Clerk comma manager. If job equals to clerk, selected. If job equals to manager, selected. If job equal to clerk, selected. If job equals to manager, selected. So this gives the both. Then so clerk manager. Understood? Then okay. No. So like just we like one more. Employees what? Not working for department 10 comma 20. Not working for department 10 20. Not working for department 10 20. Then employees not working for department 10 20. Then what? Not in. Select star from EMP, where DNO. What's it? Not in 10 comma 20. Okay, where DNO not in 10 comma 20. Then so execute this. Then what this gives? This gives what? Then this gives what? All the employees. These two employees are not belongs to 10, 20. Then said anything you can make it negative by using not operator. Okay, na? In means in 10, 20. Then it will select 10, 20. Not in means other than 10, 20. Understood? Any condition you can make it negative by using not operator. Sir, okay? Understood? So that's all. This is only for what? Like in. Okay? Then. So, like my comparison with multiple. So I cannot use equal to. I must use what? In operator. Okay? Then. Now, for example, okay, I want to like display what employees working for department 30 and earning more than 5,000. Then what is this is employee should work for 30. Employee should belongs to 30 and salary must be greater than 5,000. Then what is that is select what star from EMP where department number equals to 30 and salary must be greater than 5,000. So tell me both conditions must be satisfied or any one condition. Both must be satisfied. You must belongs to 30 and the salary must be greater than 5,000. Both must be true. Then which operator we use? And both conditions should be true. Then use and. At least one condition should be true. Then or. Okay. Then. Now let's see, suppose here then. Okay. Then so it go to the first one. It go to the first row. So what the department is 10. So first condition what's that? False. Because end means both must be true. Okay. Then next one 20 false. Next one 30. So first condition true. Is salary greater than 5,000? Yes. Second condition also true. So both are true. Then select yes. Or the next one 10 false. 20 false. 30 yes. But salary is not greater than 5,000 false. Here 20 false. How many are there? Only one. One is there. See, belongs to 30 and earning more than 5,000. Okay. There is employee Rahul. So he is earning what's that? More than 5,000. Suppose I'll ask what employees joined in 2020 year. Joined in 2020 year. What? Select star from EMP where hire date equals to 2020. Just now we discussed. Date is date, 2020 is number. Date cannot be compared with number. Date must be compared with date. Compare date with date. Don't compare date with number. Yes or no? Then what? If he joins in 2020 means compulsory date should be greater than or greater than or equal to 1st January 2020. Next one. And what? Height date should be first greater than 1st January 2020. And what's that? Height date less than equal to 31st December 2020. That's all. Greater than or equal to 1st January 2020 and height date less than or equal to 31st December 2020. Yes or no? So if both conditions are true, select it. Okay, then. Now, then. So run this. Yet there is only one. So joined in what's it? 2020. Yes or no? Okay. Sir, after 2020 means after 2020 means date greater than 31st December 2020. Before 2020, then date less than 1st January 2020. Joined in 2020, then greater than 1st January 2020, less than 31st. If both conditions are true means he joined in 2020 or not? Yes. Okay, that's all. Okay, na? So there is one employee. Who is this? Employee, what's it? Like employee 103 joined in 2020. Okay, then. So we have written some conditions by using where clause, by using some operators. Okay, na? We'll see some more in the next class. Oh. No? Oh. Yes. Oh. Okay. This is the ID. This is the ID. In this, previous classes are there. Okay, na? Oh. Oh. Ah,
doubt.
ah,
Actually, when I created the table,
ah,
but I am not getting any rows.
ah.
Only I created table.
Ah.
I can start